Have you ever dreamed of going to the south of France and spending a week painting beautiful inspirations from the region of the Côte d'Azur? There is nothing more colorful, more beautiful, more enchanting, and more exquisite than this beautiful region of one of the most beautiful countries in the world, France. Nice, France is where I'm teaching again this year, and I hope that you will be inspired by my travelogue that I will be creating for you as we spend this next couple of months in the south of France and of course in RIVIERA. But look, the dining, the belle époque and beauty of it, the camaraderie of students enjoying creating the most beautiful paintings they thought they could never do, and having so much fun in the meantime. Eating, sharing beautiful places, sharing one another's laughter and fun, waiters that look like they came from the turn of the century, and the markets. The markets are amazing. We went this morning after our arrival and purchased our food for the week at the local fish market and vegetable market. It's magic coming to the south of France. I hope you watch along while we spend this beautiful week in the Côte d'Azur in Nice, France. This is an inspiration to me. Look what I've painted in this beautiful city. Come join me.